Dropped $14,000 to lock in this Toyota Land Cruiser that originally cost $200,000 back in the day. The odometer's just barely turned ... only 560,000 kilometers. Friends warned me that no one would touch a wreck like this, called me a fool for buying a money pit, said I'm gonna lose the shirt off my back on this one, but I thought, just do it. I've been restoring Toyota off-roaders for years. Haven't met a car yet that I couldn't fix. Watch me work my magic and turn this scrap metal into a masterpiece. Gear up, guys. Get your tools ready. Let's see if I make a profit or take a loss. Starting the body on frame separation. The chassis mounts are completely rotted out. The amount of mud caked on this thing must weigh tons. Mud is packed tight inside the frame rails. Dropping the engine, separating the transmission, starting the engine teardown for inspection. The maintenance history on this engine is terrifying. Stuck piston rings caused severe oil consumption. Cleaning with an ultrasonic bath. Cleaning with high pressure, high temp spray. Now beginning the meticulous assembly of every part.
sends out a call. Through echoes in the wall. I'm ready for it all. I rise, I stand tall. Velocity in my stride. Nothing left to hide. This is my pride. Running side to side. I feel the rhythm rise like fire in my eyes, lighting up the skies, breaking all ties, breaking all ties. Breaking all ties.
The sealant bead is absolutely perfect. Who else can lay a bead like that?
My velocity tonight, carrying me through the light. I take off into flight with the future shining bright.
Let the tempo race, shift into new space. This is my chase. Feel the bass. Feel the bass.
If shadows hold me tight, I'll turn them into light. I'll win every fight. Tonight feel velocity fades slow, but still I go everywhere I go.
Starting the undercarriage disassembly and restoration, transforming from rusty junk to looking brand new like this.
Glad I ran it on the run. Night wind cutting through the air, heartbeat shifting into flare. Rush, I wanna share with the midnight glare. Feet at the rooftop high, stars sprinkle in the sky. No more reasons to deny, I'm built to fly.
The grease has completely degraded.
In the commotion, heart full devotion like waves in the ocean. Sky,
Listing out parts needed for replacement. Every single bolt needs to be refurbished.
no more hiding in disguise. I finally realize.
Removing chassis rust with laser technology.
Run, break through the cold, run, feel story told, run, watch the skyline unfold, run, let the beat take hold, run, break through the cold, run, feel story told, run, watch the skyline unfold. If the wind tries to steal
Spraying specialized anti-rust coating wrapped to liner for protection.
with the courage that's real, as I slow my pace, I feel a warm embrace from
Replacing the control arm bushings.
to fade.
Pressing out old rubber and installing new OEM bushings. Components are fully restored and ready. Let's start the assembly process.
don't chase my feet. Rhythm pulls me to the beat. Energy that feels complete. Running through the street. Shadows twist along the walls. Echoes slide through empty halls. I rise above the falls. Entering night's call. I feel the tempo rise. Running through my eyes. No more disguise.
Replacing the drive shaft universal joints. Restoration process complete. Deep cleaning the entire body shell. Cleaning the floor pan surface. Spraying rubberized undercoating, replacing all chassis bolts with new ones, marrying the body back to the frame. Alright, let's fire it up. Engine is running smooth as silk, meticulous sanding and repainting the whole car. Proceeding with paint application. Baking the paint at high temp to ensure adhesion. Look at this glazuric paint finish after spraying. It's this glossy without even polishing yet. Eliminating interior odors. Deep cleaning the interior. Installing sound deadening and vibration dampening mats, rolling it down tight. Adding another layer of acoustic foam. Reupholstering the seats with new leather. Peeling plastics are sanded down and repainted too. Reassembling. If you think I did a good job, hit like.
The city hums in steady waves. Lights reflecting vivid shapes. I feel the rhythm that it craves. My heartbeat elevates. Every corner pulls me in. Races running through my skin. I let the night begin. Letting go of what's been. Energy rushes through me, breaking every boundary. This is where I'm meant to be.
Interior assembly is done. Upgrading the exterior to the latest facelift model.
Lifting me into the light.
Four-wheel alignment, relieving bushing stress, restoring to factory specifications.
Into flight. Hit, let the beat ignite. Hit, shake me into life. Hit, cut through the night. Hit, turn it up twice. Hit, let the beat ignite. Hit, shake me into life. Hit, cut through the night. Hit, turn it up twice. If the dark tries to stay, I'll dance it all away. I'll find my perfect sway till the break of day. With every fading sound, I keep my solid ground. My soul is rhythm.